So when it comes to the second scalping strategy, this strategy has been used by my friend, right? And he has made over tens and thousands of dollars just from using this simple scalping strategy, right? So he's a funded trader, and when he's managing about 100K account, he's managing like six figures account. And every time he manage this six figures account, he use this scalping strategy, which is really, really goddamn basic. But guess what? It works. It has made him $10,000, $20,000 on a good month, right? So it has clearly been working. So the scalping strategy now I'm going to show you next is basically your buy at support and sell at resistance. A lot of you thinking right now, what the hell? That is like common sense, man. That's like basic shit, right? Trust me, basic, simple things work, right? Simple things work. So example, let's say you're on a 1 hour time frame and you have marked up like key resistance zone like this, and you also marked up like a key support area like this, right? If you do not know how to mark up your support and resistance area, you need to go watch the lesson on technical analysis. I literally show you how to mark up your support and resistance levels and how to trade them. So example, right here, right? Right now, price is approaching this resistance level, right? So you know that at this resistance level, there's going to be sellers shorting the market. So the next time price eventually go up there's going to be some sort of like selling pressure pushing the price down. So that's what we are looking for, right? So you can see right here, price consolidate, and you can see the moment price went up to touch the resistance area, right? You could have easily, immediately when price touched this resistance area, go down to the 5-minute time frame and see some sort of selling pressure, immediately enter for a sell. Immediately enter for a sell and just get out when price starts retracing. So you can see, okay, somewhere right around here, you have gotten out of the trade, right? Immediately get in when price is at the resistance. So sell at resistance and buy at support, right? So that's basically the whole concept. And in this case, if you're selling a resistance, you should be placing your stop loss like above this high or above this resistance area, somewhere right around here. And you can see this is a quick 33 pips. All right, it's a quick 33 pips. Ideally, I would have gotten like maybe somewhere right around here instead. Yeah, somewhere right around here instead. Hold the trade all the way to here. This is like within an hour, you're out of the trade, right? Within an hour, you've got over 30 pips. So that's selling a resistance, right? Like I said, it's a very, very basic strategy. But guess what? It works, all right? It works, ladies and gentlemen. So again, you can see right here. Now, price is forming another resistance area right here. So the next time price eventually go up to hit this level again, I'm going to be looking to sell. But in this case, price did not really hit this level again. So let's just bar replay a bit. And you can see in this case, we have marked up our resistance. And right now, we are waiting for it to approach it. And you can see price approaches this resistance area, show signs that it's going down with this bearish candlestick. Enter for a sell here. And just watch price goes into profit. Until price starts retracing, get out of the trade, right? So this could be another quick scalp, right? You could have gotten out right here and price starts retracing. Very, very quick scalp and stuff. So that's selling at resistance. And then let's say we have identified a support area right here, right? We have identified a support area somewhere right around here. So knowing that, we know that at this level, there's going to be buyers, right? There's going to be buyers at this level sitting over here that is waiting to buy the currency. So as soon as price goes down to this support level, guess what? We're going to be entering for a buy. So you can see right here, okay, before this happened, look at this. Go to 15-minute time frame. Price starts giving us small candlesticks, which show us that there's a very less selling pressure right now. And at this point of time, it's about to reverse and price is about to go up, right? Because there's not much selling momentum. There's not much selling volume already. So the moment price comes down to our support level, we see some sort of sign, some sort of confirmation, and some sort of confluences that tell us that price is not breaking past this level. Enter for a buy. Buy at this support level. And you can see, just get out when price starts retracing. So over here, you got it out, easy 60 pips. And within like what, 15 minutes, right? Within 30 minutes or so. Within 30 minutes or so, you have made over 60 pips, right? As simple as that. So buy at support, selling at resistance. Once again, this strategy is goddamn simple, but guess what? It's goddamn useful, right? It's goddamn useful. So especially if you're a beginner, this scalping strategy will be good for you. So another example could be like right here. Let's say price is consolidating around this area here, right? And we have identified like a resistance area right here. And then another support area right here. Right? So price is just consolidating, going sideways. And since looking at this, we know that this is a very strong support level because price rejected it 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. And we know this is a very strong resistance level because price reversed at this level 1 time, 2 time, right? So the next time price comes down to this support level, we can look to enter for a buy. So you can see price comes down to this support level, show signs that is reversing, enter for a buy right here. 1 to 5 minute time frame, you have easily entered for a buy right here. And then just get out when price starts retracing. So just over here, somewhere right around here, you've gotten out of the trade when price starts retracing. And then now you wait for price to go up to the resistance level. You can see right here, price went up to this resistance level. So we should be looking to see some sort of signs that price is rejecting this resistance level, which it gave us right here. This morning star candlestick pattern, this evening star candlestick pattern right here. Easily, you could have entered for a short scalp somewhere right around here. Okay, price is still consolidating anyways. Yeah, somewhere right around here. Let's say if you did enter for a short scalp right here, right? And you place your stop loss above this evening star. Look, price is still consolidating, right? Price is still consolidating. Eventually, it will go down into your profit, right? Eventually, you go down to your profit. Somewhere right around there, you go off. Just hold a trade until price starts retracing, and you can see like price just continue going down, right? That's why you need to place your stop loss correctly, because if you place your stop loss like this, you will have gotten stopped out. So give you a little bit of breathing room like this. So even though price retrace back into our zone right here, we were still not stopped out, right? We were still not stopped out. We were still inside the trade, and ultimately price went in our way and went down, and then that's when we can close the trade when price starts retracing, right? So that's another scalping strategy where you can use, right? Which is basically your buy a support and sell at resistance. So I'll recommend you guys to draw these support and resistance levels on the 15-minute time frame or even the 1 hour time frame, right? Because these are the support and resistance levels which will be strong, right? Which will be strong. So the higher the time frame, the stronger the key levels are. So if you draw a major key level at the 4-hour or even the daily time frame, then this strategy will work perfectly well, right? So yeah, that's the second scalping strategy.